Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3 drinks 1 cup is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique solution for enjoying multiple beverages simultaneously without sacrificing counter space or creating a mess. This ingenious device allows you to pour up to 3 different drinks into a single, stylish cup, making it perfect for parties, gatherings, or even just a personalized beverage experience at home. Imagine the convenience of having your morning coffee, a refreshing iced tea, and a splash of juice all in one accessible container, eliminating the need for multiple glasses and simplifying your drinking routine. Number 5. Magic Tap Automatic Drink Dispenser. Tired of lifting heavy bottles? This automatic dispenser lets you pour with just one hand, eliminating spills and messes. It's perfect for your favorite beverages like milk and juice. Designed to fit almost any bottle or jug, from small containers to gallon sizes. It's the ideal refrigerator organizer for your daily needs. With just a press of a button, you get a smooth and controlled pour every time. It makes pouring simple for everyone, including kids and seniors. Enjoy peace of mind with its food-grade silicone seal and a trigger lock. This prevents drips, leaks, and accidental dispensing, ensuring a mess-free experience. Setting it up is a breeze, no tools needed. Cleaning is just as simple, whether you pump warm water through it or use a vinegar solution for a deeper clean. What we like? Tired of messy spills and heavy lifting? This automatic dispenser transforms your gallon jugs into an easy, one-handed pour. If you're looking for a convenient way to serve drinks, especially for kids or seniors, this is your solution for effortless pouring without the mess. What people say? The cup holder is very sturdy and can hold up to 4 drinks. It's easy to fold and store when not in use. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. Number 4. Moonkie Silicone Baby Sippy Cups. Introducing the Moonkie Silicone Baby Sippy Cups, designed to grow with your child. This versatile cup offers 3 stages of use, making it perfect for infants, toddlers, and kids. From a beginner sippy cup to a straw cup, it adapts to your little one's needs. This ensures a smooth transition as they learn to drink independently. With a 4-ounce capacity, it's just the right size for small hands and smaller drinks. The pack includes 1 cup, ideal for trying out its amazing features. Crafted from high-quality, baby-safe silicone, it's soft, durable, and easy to clean. You can trust it for everyday use. This training cup helps foster independence and confidence in your child's drinking journey. It's a great tool for mealtime and snack time. Make hydration fun and easy with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect companion for your baby's developmental milestones. What we like? Designed to grow with your little one, this sippy cup offers a seamless transition from bottle to independent drinking. If you have an infant or toddler learning to drink independently, this versatile cup provides a safe and easy-to-use option for mealtime and on the go. What people say? The cup holder is very sturdy and can hold up to 4 drinks without any issues. It is easy to fold and store when not in use, making it convenient for travel. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in most car cup holders. Number 3. Moonkie Silicone Baby Sippy Cups. Introducing the versatile sippy cup designed to grow with your child. It's perfect for infants, toddlers, and kids alike. This cup features 3 distinct stages to support your little one's drinking journey. From first sips to independent drinking, it's all covered. Easily transition between a sippy cup and a straw cup. This adaptability ensures your child can use it comfortably at every stage. With a 4-ounce capacity, it's the ideal size for small hands to hold and manage. This makes mealtime and snack time easier for everyone. Crafted from high-quality, safe silicone, this cup is built to last. It's gentle on gums and easy for parents to clean. This convenient 1-pack offers everything you need to start. It's a practical choice for busy parents seeking reliable feeding solutions. What we like? Achieve a truly clean drink every time with this versatile cleaning set. If you're meticulous about hygiene and want to ensure no residue is left in bottle lids or cup gaps, this tool is perfect for keeping all your drinking vessels spotless. What people say? This is a great product for carrying multiple drinks. The design is very practical and easy to use. It holds up to 3 drinks securely without spilling. Number 2. 4-in-1 Silicone Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our 4-in-1 cleaning brush set, designed with multiple practical functions. Its unique shape is perfect for reaching tight gaps and ensuring every sip is fresh. This tool features a 360-degree rotating head with 3 distinct brush types. It's ideal for cleaning various items like cups, bottles, and even kitchen gadgets. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, this brush is safe, environmentally friendly, and built to last. You can trust it for effective cleaning without any harmful substances. Enjoy a comfortable cleaning experience with its ergonomic grip and charming design. It makes tidying up your drinkware both easy and pleasant. Small and lightweight, this cleaning tool is perfect for home, outdoor adventures, or travel. Keep your drinking utensils hygienic wherever you go. What we like. Enjoy double the flavor with a single container, perfect for any beverage combination. If you love variety and want to share drinks with a friend or simply enjoy 2 different tastes yourself, this cup offers a fun and hygienic way to stay hydrated. What people say. The cup holder is very sturdy and can hold up to 4 drinks. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for storage. The cup holder is made of high-quality materials and feels very durable. Number 1. YYDSJFM Creative Water Cup. Introducing the YYDSJFM Creative Water Cup, designed for ultimate versatility. Enjoy 2 different beverages simultaneously with its innovative dual-compartment design. Whether it's milk tea and juice, or flower tea and milk, this cup offers 2 distinct flavors in one. Experience a new level of beverage enjoyment. Our advanced leak-proof seal, featuring a silicone ring and a specially designed arc cover, ensures no spills. Simply align and tighten for a secure closure. With a detachable straw, cleaning is a breeze. Its thoughtful design allows for comfortable drinking, even during activities, helping you maintain your desired look. The 2-color, double sipper design is perfect for sharing with a friend. Each person gets their own straw, ensuring a healthy and hygienic experience. Crafted with safe materials and an exquisite shape, this cup offers double the enjoyment. It makes a wonderful and thoughtful gift for your favorite person. What we like. Enjoy double the flavor with a single container, perfect for any beverage combination. If you love variety and want to share drinks with a friend or simply enjoy 2 different tastes yourself, this cup offers a fun and hygienic way to stay hydrated. What people say. The cup holder is very sturdy and can hold up to 4 drinks. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for storage. The cup holder is adjustable and can fit most cup sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.